Hi, Malik the Magic Guy, expertvillage.com. Now I'm going to give you more work on the barbell and how to add some arms and legs. So let's review the barbell real quick. What it is a 3-bubble roll through on this end of the balloon. And then you come down here, squeeze the air down if you want. Make a 3-bubble roll through on this end of the balloon. That's going to give you a barbell body. Now, if you're going to do feet, you can make feet like this using a couple of these are 2-bubble lock twists, or I'm going to show you another way to make some feet that look a little more like a bird foot or an animal foot. If you make this out of 3 bubbles like this, 2 long ones and a short one, and then you do the same thing on the other end, then you can twist this in half, and this will give you some feet that you can attach on. Now, to do arms for the barbell body, you want to have a balloon with a little bit of room left over. We're going to do a fold twist or loop twist on this side, and a fold twist or loop twist on this side. And then we want to fold it in half and make a smaller fold twist in the middle. And what that gives us is sort of a backbone. Then we can attach this. You want to attach it right at the top of the second part of the barbell. And that gives you a barbell with arms and legs. And this would be the beginning of like a duck-type creature or anything that's got different colored legs. But that's the barbell with arms and legs.